In China, the New Year's Eve dinner is a sumptuous meal prepared by the whole family. They get together to share both fine food and a happy reunion. Among the dishes, crispy sweet and sour pork is particularly favoured for its golden colour and appetizing taste. Its ingredients are simple and it's easy to learn. First, slice the pork tenderloin, then add cooking wine and salt. Stir the slices well and marinate for 10 minutes. Add water to starch and stir in a thin paste. Mix the paste into the marinated meat slices and stir again. Before frying the meat slices, heat the oil to 150 degrees Celsius. Then deep fry the meat in it for 3 to 4 minutes. Drain the meat and remove it from the wok. The first frying is done. Now heat the oil to a higher temperature of 170 degrees Celsius. Put the meat back in the wok and deep fry for 1 more minute. The refried meat is crispy outside and tender inside, diffusing a rich aroma. The sweet and sour taste comes from the sauce. First, tip the orange juice and the ketchup into boiling water. Then add white sugar, white vinegar, and cornstarch slurry, one by one. Keep stirring until the sauce becomes sticky. Pour the sauce evenly over the meat slices. Sprinkle shredded scallion and ginger. The delicious dish is now ready to be served. Crispy sweet and sour pork originated in northeast China, dating back to more than 100 years. It's a celebrated dish both in China and abroad, and a classic one for the New Year's Eve dinner.